Blessings, yo. Yeah, so this one came out too. I believe this one is a main multi-point BF, and gave us a call out. You can see it's leaking everywhere. It looks like it's leaking from the water assembly. And I believe with these, the water assembly and the gas assembly is all into one. There you are, main multi-point BF. Do love these little water heaters, and yeah, just take it apart because I wanted to see if it was leaking from the main body as well. But you can see even the gasket's in good shape. It's got that pilot light just there, ready to go as soon as you touch the tap. And there we go, lights up beautifully. So it's working beautifully, no leaks from anywhere. The fluid doesn't look rusted, you know what I'm saying? It's all looking pretty blessed. Flame picture is beautiful, especially because the case is open, getting a better airflow. But yeah, you can see that whole water and gas assembly is gone. Like, the case is in good shape. I mean, this is old. I believe this was installed back in 2006. So you know, it's done. It's had a good innings. You know what I mean? It's had a good innings. But now, time for it to probably be put to bed.